An external hard disk is an essential thing if you have plenty of important data on your PC, and it is a good thing to make a backup of that important data. After hours of searching and reading, I came to this Seagate 2 TB model. Let's unbox it. Well, it works with PC, Mac, tablet and other Android phones. In the box we get few documents related to offers and plans, such as 1 year of Milo Create plan, and 2 months of Adobe Creative Cloud photography plan. You will get 3-year rescue warranty. In this 2 TB version, you can get 1.8 TB allotted space. They provide an USB 3.0 cable for the hard disk. The hard disk is very lightweight, about 126 grams. It is entirely made up of hard plastic with no metal finish. The average read and write speed is 150 MB per second. Link is in the description. Give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.